Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone keeps turning on and off. The iPhone keeps turning on and off is one of the most frustrating thing you may experience as an iPhone user. An iPhone reboot loop can be caused by different reasons and there are various fixes according to the circumstances. If you are getting frustrated or worried about this, you do not have to. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is drain iPhone battery. If your iPhone begins to malfunctioning, such as going off and coming back on all by itself, there is probably a problem somewhere, and simple trick like draining the iPhone's battery can fix things. Allow iPhone's battery to get drained completely. It might take some time to do this, but you have to wait the time so the battery can completely discharge. Wait till the iPhone shuts down on its own. Plug your iPhone to power and allow it to charge fully. Once the battery is full, turn on your iPhone to see if the problem is fixed or not. And the next step is offload unused apps. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. From here you can see a list of apps. Tap on the app that you don't use and then tap on offload app and then tap on offload app again to confirm. Now you can reinstall the app whenever you need and you are done. And the next step is hard reset iPhone shutting off and on. Hard resetting your iPhone might fix the issue of your iPhone keeps turning on and off. This process varies by iPhone model. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is update iOS version. From time to time, Apple pushes out new version of iOS to fix some software issues as well as introduce new features. If your iPhone that keeps going on and off as a result of software issues, updating the iOS version might just be perfect solution to the problem. Check if there is a new update for your iOS by going to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone keeps turning on and off, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.